Imagine you're sitting in a luxurious boardroom. You're about to hear a number that could shake the financial world. A number that represents the power, the influence, and the potential of a company. That number is the number of shares Paysafe has. Paysafe, for those who aren't familiar, is a global payments technology company. It's a behemoth in the world of online transactions, powering everything from online gambling to e-commerce. But amidst all the talk about its services, one question keeps popping up. How many shares does Paysafe actually have? To answer this, we need to delve into the realm of corporate finance. We're talking about stocks, shares, and the intricacies of the stock market. It's a complex world, but we're going to break it down into simple terms. Understanding shares. Think of a company as a pie. The pie is divided into slices, and each slice represents a share. When you buy a share of a company, you're essentially buying a piece of that pie. The more shares a company has, the smaller each slice becomes. The number of shares a company has can be influenced by several factors. For instance, a company might issue new shares to raise capital. Or, it might buy back shares to reduce the number of outstanding shares. The case of Paysafe. So, how many shares does Paysafe have? Well, that's a question that can only be answered by looking at the company's financial statements. These documents, usually released quarterly or annually, contain detailed information about a company's financial health, including the number of outstanding shares. While I can't give you the exact number right now, I can tell you how to find it. Simply visit Paysafe's Investor Relations website. There, you'll find a section dedicated to financial reports. Look for the most recent annual or quarterly report. Inside, you should find a section detailing the company's shares. The importance of share count. Why is it important to know the number of shares a company has? Well, for one, it can affect the company's stock price. If a company has a large number of shares outstanding, each share represents a smaller portion of the company. This can make the stock price more volatile. Additionally, the number of shares can impact a company's market capitalization. This is the total value of a company's outstanding shares. A company with a high market capitalization is generally considered to be more valuable. So, there you have it. While I can't give you the exact number of shares Paysafe has, I've given you the tools to find out for yourself. Remember, understanding a company's share count can provide valuable insights into its financial health and market value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.